So hopefully I have another blind pick here. Sorry again for the delay, but these are American locks, and I think that didn't cut too good. They don't have them in like a sealed package to prove it's a blind pick. So, all right. So, oh well, maybe they do this time. All right. So let's see if I can change this a little bit. All right. So I have it's two American locks. That are the 1165s, which are 6-pin locks. Let me cut this thing, yeah. Okay. Alright. Anyway, so what I want to do is blind pick these. Oh, but not look at the key. Oh, shoot. They have it like wrapped around. Hold on. Let's see if I can not look at this and get this out. Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright, we'll take a peek at that later. Alright, so want to use the Reaper. This packaging under here. Hopefully in view here. So let's get it in. Reaper set 40, top of the keyway, a little shaky. I had some coffee, got out a new tickler for the occasion. Good click so far. I think a good click. First pin, yeah. First pins, man. Nope. Still first pin. One more. Could lose my tension here. Might swap it out if I need to. Alright, let's see here. Come. Oh. Gotta remember it's a 6-pin. Oh, full set. Oh, shouldn't have had that coffee. A little shaky here. We can find the right binder. I think it's that one. Lift it. Oh no. Not sure what happened there. Let's get a little tension. This might overset that. Come on. Oh, let's see what we got here. Full set. I think I overset it again. Let it drop. Get it. Okay. Whew, man, I'm shaky. I think I'm in a full set again. Let's go from the bottom this time. Ooh. That's never good. Oh no. Alright, well, let's try 50. I really like my Reaper set, but I just lost that thing. Oh. There we go. I'm off my game here a little bit. I apologize. I shouldn't have had that coffee. It's really throwing me off here. Here we go, full set. Now, see if we can get this guy. Driving me crazy now. Sorry, I probably hear background noise, dog, kids. Why? Well, we're setting that every time. Might need Reaper number 4. Let's see here. Okay, full set. Let's go. Let's just grab that once. Let's see if that makes a difference here. Okay, good click. Still in a full set. I feel like I should go back to the Reaper. See what we got here. Working off the warning. Here we go. Yep, set and open. Okay. Let's take a look at that bidding. 6 pin. Hopefully you got all that on video. So 6 pin American lock. Alright, 6 pin American lock picked with the McTickler. It probably took too long. Alright, let's might as well do another one, right? I know, I sort of used both. It wasn't just the McTickler, it was both. Oh, shoot. Okay, I promise I did not see that. Alright. Guess I gotta go 50 again because my 40's lost. Let's try to go McTickler. He's still in view here. Hopefully maybe straight McTickler. I feel like I needed a little bit higher of a reach. Okay, good click, good click, good click. First pin really again, yep. All good clicks. Good click. Oh, slipped. Set there. See if we can drop them down. See what else we got going on here. I think those are good clicks. Ooh. Hmm. First pin. Oh, oversight. Oh, unpicked. Alright, let's take a look at the bidding on that one. That one actually looks like it probably should have been harder. Yeah, how it goes. Alright, blind pick number 2. McTickler fully on that one. Alright, McTickler, baby.